Hi class, welcome to week 4. Let's click under modules, week 4 overview to learn what we're going to cover this week. This week we're going to look into the different types of certificate programs that GCC has for students. We're going to review the different types of Associates of Arts and Associates of Science degrees and what are the graduation requirements for degrees and certificates here at GCC. We're going to look also into the ADT. We have associate's degrees for transfer students, which have different guidelines. We're going to review all of these in details. So you're going to review the PowerPoint lecture on certificates, degrees, and graduation requirements from this week. After you review all that, the lecture, you're going to complete discussion number 4 and respond to one classmate. Remember, initial discussions are due by Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. and responses to your classmates is due by Saturday, 11:59 p.m. And complete your quiz too. Remember, you only have one attempt on the quiz and it must be completed by, again, Saturday, 11:59 p.m. Again, don't attempt the quiz until you review the PowerPoint lecture to learn about the requirements. So we are in week 6 and 7 and 8. So in the middle, in a few weeks, we're going to start getting introduced to your student educational plan project. Okay, this is basically an educational plan of all the courses you need in order to get to your degree and or transfer requirements. So this week's lecture is going to be very important for those students who are looking to get a certificate program at GCC or are looking to get an associate's degree for transfer or associate's degree at GCC. You're going to want to pay really close attention to the lecture because this week's lecture is going to help you understand all the courses you're going to need to help you develop that student educational project, which is coming up in a couple of weeks. Okay, click next to review the PowerPoint. Again, I have two options for you. You can go ahead and review the overview with me reviewing the lecture, or you can go ahead and download the PowerPoint and read through. I recommend you do both. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Bye.